Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very useful video on how to change the keyboard language if you are in the Twitter app. For example, I open my Twitter app now. So when I go for tweeting, this English keyboard is coming. So instead of that, I want some other language. For example, I want to go for Hindi language. So how to do that? So here what you can do, once you open the keyboard in Twitter, once you are in the keyboard of Twitter, you can see there is something called as settings over here. So just press the settings. You can see here languages, English, US, QWERTY, the standard keyboard. So once you press here, you can see there's something called your keyboard languages and layouts, English, US, QWERTY. So you can here add keyboard. So once you go here, so a lot of languages keyboards will be available. So here what you can do, just press this Hindi India. So once you do that, you have to select this. Either you can select English typing with Hindi, like it will convert your English words into Hindi in the same pronunciation, or else you can directly have Hindi keyboards. So for example, I go for both. I'll go for this one. So here once I select, done. So now this keyboard is reflecting in my languages space. So once I go here, I'll just go back. So here what you can do, you can see here the name English is starting to reflect or show here. So you have to just hold on here. Once you hold on, you can choose here Hindi. So here my language has been converted into HT. So I just for example want to show kya kar rahe ho, KYA, kya. You can see here the things are coming, kya kar rahe ho. So this way you can type Hindi in English keyword or in English spelling. So if you don't like that, you want to have that complete Hindi keyboard here, you can also go for that, and any other languages as well. So if you want to go for another language, or for example directly Hindi keyboard, you have to follow the same process as I have said you. So just hold on this space bar for 1-2 seconds, then go to this Bhasha settings or language settings. Again add keyboard. Once again telling you the same process, just for your clarification. I'll go for Odia now. For example, Odia. Once I go there, same thing is coming here. You can either go for direct Odia or English to Odia. For example, I'll go for this time direct Odia language. I'll press done here. So both have been selected, and so I'll go back. So here once again I say you, I'll press and hold for 1 second. I will just go for like this Odia. So I'll write the same thing. Kona Korucha. I am not that well acquainted with this keyboard. So Kona Korucha Korucha. So thankfully this suggestions are also coming. So kya kar rahe ho in Hindi, what are you doing? Same is kaun karucha in Odia. So in the same way you can choose any other language. So the same process can be applied in any other apps as well, because it is mostly your Android language setting instead of app to app. In Facebook, in same in Twitter as I have shown you right now, and in also WhatsApp, the process is same. You have to just hold on the keyboard and go on adding languages so that you can write or type in any app different languages. For example, in this video I have shown you in Twitter only, but you can apply the same thing in any other app as well. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this video was quite useful. So from now, instead of simply writing in English language, you can go for your native language and impress your friends and families. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this feature in your Android in Twitter. Of course, please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.